Setting up multiple displays using HP docks. Increase productivity and work output with a multi-display setup. Here's how to configure your multi-display environments with the HP USB-C A Universal Dock G2. Note: this tutorial is for a USB-C enabled PC with video, data, and power capabilities. First, connect the power cord to your dock and then plug the other end into a wall outlet. HP recommends plugging the power cord directly into a wall outlet for best results. Then connect the USB-C cord to your USB-C enabled computer. Power on the dock and the PC. Then arrange your displays for setup. Insert a DisplayPort cable into the top DP port on the dock. Then insert the other end of the cable into the DP port on one of the displays. To connect an additional display for a dual display environment, insert a DisplayPort cable into the bottom DP port on the dock. Then insert the other end of the cable into the DP port on the display. To connect an additional display for a triple display environment, insert an HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the dock. Then insert the other end of the cable into the HDMI port on the display. Arrange your displays based on their configuration with Windows display settings. Then restart your PC to set this configuration as your default setting. You can connect these three displays in any combination of DisplayPort 1, DisplayPort 2, and/or HDMI to get up to triple 4K resolution. For more information on getting the highest resolution for your devices, go to the HP Support portal. Using a web browser, go to hp.com/support. Search for your product and then click Product Information, and then select the product specifications.